Okay, I think we should start. Um, Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. How are you guys feeling? This being the today being the last day of Datas in Trek. Um,
You guys can unmute yourself and you
yes,
can say what you feel.
very sad. It is
It's fine.
sad as it is, but let's just say that the past week has been quite a learning for you guys. I'm sure the tech team has put in a lot of efforts for you guys to grasp and get a grip on the concepts of Python and its libraries, and just a whole general view on how data science is. Vedant, do you want to take over and start, you know, ask people about their experience?
Yeah, sure. So, firstly, I would like genuine feedback from you guys. What you guys think was good about this event in particular, and where do you think, in case we've lacked, what do you think we are lacking? Because we are going to have many more events going forward as well. And if there is anything that we've not covered that you expected from us, we would take that into consideration as well, so that going forward we'll have quality courses ready for you guys, whether it's events, whether it's workshops, whether it's just normal code or stuff in general. So just do let us know. I know a couple of you guys have already been quite active in this week, and yeah, I'm glad most of you guys got your doubts resolved as well. So many of you guys started off like, I know a couple of you guys who didn't even know Python when you started, and now you guys are in a really better place to actually learn more, whether it's data science in general or any other field, because Python has this tendency to be just like data science, interdisciplinary. So yeah, I'm really glad that you guys, oh, especially these folks who've already joined with us. I've seen most of you guys since the beginning, and I know how committed you were to this event. So yeah, really glad. If any of the tech team members want to go ahead and actually talk it out with their audiences, that would be really great.
Um, okay, say before tech team interacts, I want to ask you guys. Day one पे कौन था? Who followed? Say day one, day two. Who was there? Say every day for the event. Okay, crazy guys. तुम बहुत ही ज़्यादा efforts दिखाए हैं तुम लोगों ने and you showed the discipline. So congratulations. Um, I hope तुम लोग कुछ सीखे होगे in this through this event. And if you want to give us any reviews, you can. Of course, you can give us. You can unmute yourself and you can say whatever you want to say. Okay. So, future may we'll be organizing workshops and many more events like this. Um, make it more lengthy trek. Hmm.
We
I don't know.
sure can, but it's up to you guys कि तुम लोग कितना consistent रहते हो.
I don't know if you guys know that or not. It We planned it 4 days of data science, and then we switched from 4 days of data science to 7 days data science track. Okay, so तुम लोगों ने already lengthy करवा दिया इसको.
And it's quite an achievement, guys. अगर तुम
Yeah,
7 days अच्छे से
exactly.
consistent रह चुके हो, so it's a good achievement for you guys.
Um, so yes. बाकी I hope तुम लोग the lecture will say.
Thank you,
Thank
Shlok.
you. Thank you so much, लोग. Thank you, slow. Thank you so much. तुम लोग कल का प्रोजेक्ट किए रहे होगे. यू कैन शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस. कल का प्रोजेक्ट किसका फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था? ऐसे यू क्रिएटेड योर फर्स्ट एवर प्रोजेक्ट इन पाइथन और इन डेटा साइंस. दैट्स
Sojal, we'll try to keep it as hybrid as possible. We'll we'll keep it offline, but we'll be live streaming it. Okay, nice, Niyati, Mohammed. Thank you, Sanika.
ओके. या सो कल किसका फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था, लाइक जो वेदांत के साथ बैठ के क्रिएट किया था, वट एवर ही क्रिएटेड. सो ओके. बहुत लोगों का फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था. So now you guys know, now you have created your first project, first ever data science related project. So you guys can create a lot more better. तुम बहुत मॉडिफाई भी कर सकते हो उस प्रोजेक्ट को, एंड और भी तुम चाहो तो तुम क्रिएट कर सकते हो. सो यू डू दैट, एंड कुछ भी डाउट हो तो वी आर देयर फॉर यू. वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट. व्हाट इज द सबमिशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट? ओके, वेदांत इसके बारे में तो एक्सप्लेन करेगा.
ठीक है, अभी बता देते हैं क्योंकि एक काफ़ी कॉमन क्वेरी है. बट सी, so we have a surprise reveal by the end of this specific day. Uh, but what I can say is, see, we'll be giving a time of around at least a month, because right now even our team would be busy with exams. Don't forget, we're still college students. So yeah, so since we will also be busy with exams, we'll be giving you a month's time so that you can pick up data sets from Kaggle or any other source that you find. I would recommend that you guys actually go out and collect the data by yourself as well. That's something that we've not covered in this session, because see, I'll tell you something. Last year as well, we had events on web scraping as well. So that was more about data collection in general. But let's say you learn this skill by yourself, it would be really great. So yeah, yeah. Any queries? Okay, I'll carry on. So yeah, learning that skill is quite important as well. If you guys want to discuss project ideas, you can openly go around and ask on the group itself or the community itself. And so yeah, that's an important aspect as well that we have not covered yet, because of course you were limited by a week or 7 days. So honestly, that is something that would enhance your projects even more, and that is something that many folks would look into as well whenever they are considering a data science project in general. So yeah, so taking all of that into consideration, a month is quite a short period of time to actually get a project done if you're actually investing quality time into it. So yeah, I would say a month would be good enough. So let's say today is 16th, right? Let's do it till the 16th of October. Let's see how many of you guys will actually submit your projects. Try to make GitHub links as much as possible. So, like, push it on GitHub. And we'll be rolling out Google Forms if you guys want, so that we can actually go ahead and actually grade, yeah, suggest recommendations. Oh, yeah. Rahul, as you can see, Rahul, if you want, you can go ahead and address our folks as well. Yeah, Nikhil, any doubts? Okay, never mind.
Hi guys, congrats on completing 7 days. Congrats to the team also, council. Must event tha. I saw the collab files also, they were very nice. And I really like that at least 78 people stuck till the end. Like that is what's important ki matlab whoever's here stays till the end and learn something. वही goal है हमारे council का, and that's the goal these people also are following. And I'm super proud of the council, Riya, Harsh, Vedant, Jia. I don't know if anyone else is there today, but yeah, I'm super proud of all of y'all. But हाँ वही है कि and also like Shaurya is also in the council. Congrats. Reality check एक देना था मेरे को कि this is just the start of data science. Data science is too broad, too broad. तुम लोग कोई भी रैंडम चीज़ सोच सकते हो, वो चीज़ का कुछ ना कुछ डेटा साइंस एआई प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है आज के ज़माने में. You all use ChatGPT for everything nowadays. You have been reading news about newer models every day, and all of this has this at its core, understanding data. So, like even if you all couldn't do this properly and like missed a few days, I just hope that you all go come back to this, ask doubts on the community, and make sure that you all understand data and start loving data. कि भाई तुम लोग समझ रहे हो कि तुम ये डेटा से क्या क्या कर सकते हो. Just take random Excel sheets from Kaggle, like random data sets, and don't think about what the project, like don't think about कि मेरे को ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है तो मैं डेटा सेट ढूंढ रहा हूँ. जस्ट पिक रैंडम डेटा सेट्स और तुम लोग उसको एनालाइज कर लो. कल ईडीए ही कराया था ना, राइट? कि क्या कराया था?
हाँ, EDA and basics of ML. तो we covered linear regression.
ओके, दैट्स नाइस. तो हाँ, तो कोई रैंडम डेटा सेट उठा लो एंड बेसिक ईडीए करके भी तुम लोग को समझ जाएगा कि क्या क्या फीजिबिलिटी है वो डेटा सेट का. और अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि ये डेटा सेट इनफ नहीं है, तो दैट्स वेयर वेब स्क्रैपिंग एंड ऑल कम्स इन, कि तुम लोग कहाँ से डेटा ला सकते हो. एंड वहाँ से ही तुम लोग को ऑटोमेटिकली एक प्रोजेक्ट आइडिया तो मिल ही जाता है. तो अगर तुम लोग वैसे सीखोगे तो यू विल ऑल्सो ग्रो दैट इम्पोर्टेंट स्किल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेटा. और तुम लोग कोई भी फाइल लेके कोई भी रैंडम डेटा सेट पे काम कर सकते हो फिर इन द फ्यूचर. एंड देन लेटर तो तुम लोग एमएल का जो है वो धीरे धीरे सीख सकते हो. एंड आई गेस वेदांत इज गुड विद शेयरिंग रिसोर्सेज फॉर दैट. तो हाँ, दैट्स इट. कॉन्ग्रेट्स गाइस. करते रहो, मेहनत करते रहो. इट्स स्टिल अ लॉन्ग वे अहेड, बट यू आर एटलीस्ट वन स्टेप अप द लैडर. कॉन्ग्रेट्स.
Thank you so much, Rahul.
Thanks, Rahul.
Thank you, Rahul.
Then will be legs like this.
You can definitely attend our future workshops. Those will be held offline.
Yeah, so we'll be hosting a workshop in October and it will be offline. So you guys can participate, you all can register for that workshop as well.
Right. So just before that, I'll just take it on with the tech team here. So any of you guys want to go ahead and talk with one of your audience members? Anyone has questions for anyone in general, specific October date? We'll let you guys know. We
We'll
can't.
let you guys know the entire details about it. So just be like active on the Instagram and community, guys. And also, like, for any future assistance, you guys have the tech team. You have Vedant to ask the questions to, so you can always reach out to them and clear your doubts.
Nah, Shaurya, not yet. Is it also good? Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
of course. None of our events or workshops will be paid, don't worry. I had taken a Spotify data set if you guys are interested. That was also a pretty good data set. Abhi, I think you have updated versions also. You can check that out. चल रही है अभी
चल रही है. We have our exams from next Monday, like the coming Monday. So
23rd.
we have this week to prepare for it.
यहाँ पे कितने FY से, by the way? Damn, okay. How are you guys feeling as a first ISC? Are you guys nervous? Or like prepared कि okay पढ़ाई करके रखा है हमने? It's okay though. You all have time for it, right? I think
30th को है ना FIs
yeah.
का
हाँ,
Yeah.
थोड़ा लेट है उनका.
करेक्ट हाँ तो you
Yeah.
have time ना आराम से almost half a month अभी
19th core? Who is this? Okay.
Uh, we have on 19th. Which college is this? Jinka 19th पर?
Okay, yes,
Aurobindo. अच्छा. Okay, so मैं.
SK.
Oh,
SK makes sense now.
oh wait,
That's
so
quite
you guys stuck
daring, you
around with
guys.
her despite having an exam.
Yeah, like
That's
we're honored कि
really
exams से पहले you all took your time out to attend these sessions. It's really
thank you
great
very
for us guys.
nice. Really nice of you guys to do that. Chalo, good. So we have a significant FI representation in our audience as well. Right now, I'm outside. Hiranandani, damn bro. How did you guys make data Zen? Okay, so we are not even the founding members, to be honest. We are almost the fourth batch.
Fourth, yeah.
And 1 second, I'll just wait. Give me a minute. I'll get someone here. Oh yeah,
Vedant test it out.
yeah. Definitely, Shivam. You could go ahead with that. See, using all of this data is important, but remember, always drawing conclusions from it is what would bring out your basically the crux of your project lies in the conclusions itself. So remember to always utilize that for something that is valuable. Abhi, let's say you've taken like hostel availability in the area, right? So you could like predict, let's say, rent. If it's a shared apartment, how many members are sharing. Likewise, you could think of it in that manner, let's say. And oh yeah, we actually have a huge Shaurya count, not even gonna lie. Okay, मेरे class में भी अरे nah, you have no idea. I'm a Vedant. I have 5 Vedants in my class. So I couldn't join yesterday's meet as I was. Okay, so we covered basics of EDA, basically everything you had learned right from data visualization to basics of ML. Like when I say basics of ML, we just completed the most basic algorithm that you have for ML, which is linear regression. So you can check out a recording for that. In case you have any doubts, you could always reach out to me or the tech team personally, or you could ask it in the community as well, because we always have folks here. Well, damn. Thanks, Shaurya. Okay. You guys are from which course? Okay, so I'm in SYAIDS of KJSC. So my entire degree is going to be in data science itself. Okay, anyone else? I saw you there. Huh? Where is this?
No, Samad, we're not all of us from AIDS.
Oh yeah.
I'm from third year. Me, Gia, and Harsh. We are from third year. Me and Gia from EXCP. Harsh is from comms. So yes.
Ria, I think you should go ahead and unveil our big secret, I guess, at this point.
Should I? Are you guys excited? What the big reveal could be? Any guesses? I want like as a reaction, guys. So any guesses on what could the reveal be? Thanks, man. न्यू ईयर में तो ठीक है ओके
Someone dressed up as Cypher. ये एक तो इवेंट में होना बचा है, ये ऑफलाइन में देखते हैं. Nothing outside you can learn a lot in these days. Hriday Cypher. Yes.
Cypher I'm pretty sure you all know right. Cypher हमारा data zen का mascot है. If you guys don't know, check out the Instagram page. जिया ने बहुत मेहनत की है उधर, so you all can see her work and appreciate her work. Okay, guys. So drums rolls. We are rolling out the FY representative forms. Okay, the FY reps. So for those who don't know, FY reps basically it's just for like team of only first years जिन लोगों ने हमारा पहले तो 7 days अटेंड किया है. So you know जिन लोगों ने 7 days अच्छे से अटेंड किया है and who are able to give their insights to our team, तो हम उन लोग को रिक्रूट करने वाले हैं. And Jia can tell you guys कि forms कब roll out हो रहे हैं and where you guys can actually get the all the information from.
Okay, so most probably, yes, tomorrow we'll be rolling out the form, and we'll also be providing like a general job profile. But just to be clear, FI reps is not limited to a job profile basically. So FI reps means basically कि तुम्हारे experience के लिए you can join multiple teams, you can work with us, whether it be logistics, creatives, PR and marketing, and other job profiles which we have in our team. So it'd be a good learning experience as a first year in a data science council, obviously. So you'll get to our tech experience also, and you'll be a part of all our upcoming workshop and events. So do sign up, and we'll be rolling off the forms tomorrow on our community as well as on our Instagram page. So stay active there.
Yes, guys. So FI reps में obviously you guys will be able to work closely with us. अब like इसके बाद के जितने भी events होंगे सब में you guys will play a big part. You'll also get to learn how to actually organize and what all things go behind the scene. So you know you'll understand कि कैसे organize करते हैं events को, hackathons को कैसे organize करते हैं जो हमारा datathon आने वाला है. So you'll obviously play a big part in it. And I'm hoping कि जितने भी FYs हैं इधर they'll all apply for the job, for the interviews, right? कितने लोग यहाँ पे actually FY reps के लिए try करने वाले हैं? Okay, good. राइट सो तुम लोग के लिए एक तो फर्स्ट ईयर में यू ऑल गेट अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस कि इंटरव्यूज कैसे होते हैं. you'll understand कि how to tackle interviews and उसके basis पे फिर we'll recruit you guys and so that you guys can be a part of a team, right?
Oh yeah. In case many of you guys don't know much about our events in general, so we have a hackathon, annual hackathon, which is kind of like our flagship event. It's called Datathon, and last year we had a national level hackathon, which was pretty great, and we had actual startups that were being formed from the projects that were built in this hackathon. So trying to yeah, okay, one second, we have an urgent query here. What about the certificate of the course? Yeah, we'll be handing out the certificates pretty soon as well, don't worry. We will be just checking out the attendance of each day so that we can collate that info first, and then we'll be handing out the certificates. So worst case, I would say 2 weeks. So by that time you should most probably get your certificate in hand. Hi, is course ka certificate? Oh, yeah, okay, fine. That's covered. We don't have to register separate. No, no, no. Mangesh, you don't have
Just make
to.
sure you fill the initial registration form so that we have your email address, your name, your whatever information we need for the certificate.
Okay. Give more info about hackathon. So yeah, so basically we have these domains which are related to data science and ML. Last year we had three. So the three domains we had were core ML, Gen AI, and case study. So these three were basically different subdomains where a team of four members were working together for 24 hours to build a project that was reviewed by judges who had their own startups or were actively involved in the data science and ML field. So that is something that acts as a unique catalyst to this event, because you're getting real time insights from folks who are actually in the industry, and you try to get an idea as to where you can apply what you've learned to several domains which you may or may not be familiar with. Oh yeah, as Rahul rightly mentioned. So Rahul, in case you guys don't know, he was our council head for last year, and yeah, so I've been an FI rep under him, and most of the folks you see here, they were all at one point simply members here. So yeah, it was really a cathartic experience. Okay, कब है ये? We are most probably keeping it in Jan. You can check out FI meetup ka. I don't know whether we have the recording. We'll share it with you guys. Niyati. I haven't attended.
हैकाथॉन में तो मजा आता है, काउंसिल वाले रहते हैं तब। मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं है, बट मैंने जो स्टोरीज सुनी है उससे मेरे को पता है कि तुम लोग ने तो मजे किए थे। तो एफआरएफ जो आ रहे हैं, मजे तो करने मिलेंगे, वो याद रखो।
तो हाँ, in
और
case you
खाली मैक्स प्रोटीन खाना नहीं रहता है, वो
ये
भी ध्यान में रखना।
ये मजे सिर्फ टीम मेंबर्स और एफ आई रेप्स के लिए रहते हैं, बिकॉज हेड्स तो कांस्टेंट हेडेक में रहते हैं, सारे परमिशंस, अलाइनमेंट, सब कुछ करने के लिए। सो
बट वो भी फन है यार, वर्थ इट
हाँ,
लगता है।
सबसे ज्यादा मजे एफ आई रेप्स ने किए होंगे इन माय
वही
ओपिनियन। सबसे ज्यादा एंजॉय एफ आई रेप्स ने किया होगा
वही
हैकाथॉन में रह के। मिनिमम वर्क एंड
वही।
मैक्सिमम फन।
हृदय बता सकते हैं कितने मजे किए थे उसमें।
हाँ, हृदय अगर होगा मीट
हृदय
में तो वो
है मीट में,
बताएगा।
बात नहीं कर रहा है बस।
हाँ, ठीक है, हृदय बता देगा मीट। And yeah, Datathon, it's really fun. You can say it's one of the best data science hackathon in India. You can definitely call it out like that. So
Tanvi, I no, you can't do that honestly. Unless like when I say group or community, if it's outside of the college, then it's to some extent fine. But we would not recommend that, because then there becomes a conflict of interest as well for you and for us. So
And also, guys, like if you're applying for the some other council, like let's say in KG you're applying for another council, and it, simultaneously you're applying for this here as well. There's no issue as such to apply for both, but you'll have to let us know at least that you're applying for the other council and you might want to consider that. So just have to let us know about it.
um, initially there's no problem in that, but in the end you need to be a part of only one council. Okay, you are not allowed to be part of more than one council. So you want to apply to some other council, you're free to do that. You're free to do that, but then you have to keep the heads updated. Okay, so that we should always be aware of that thing and replacement ढूंढ के रखें हम लोग, to be honest. So can we attend hackathon and workshop?
हाँ, of course.
Of course you can. Of course you can attend hackathon and workshop. Attend करने में क्या है? You cannot participate in datathon if you are part of datazen, obviously. So अगर तुम datazen के FI reps हो या normal team members हो, तो you cannot participate in datathon. So that is something you should keep in mind. बाकी सर्टिफिकेट्स का भी क्लियर इट आउट। मैक्स 2 वीक्स में तुम लोगों को सर्टिफिकेट्स मिल जाएंगे। आईएससी किस किस लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया आईएससी का पढ़ाई? स्टार्ट कर दिया आईएससी का प्रिपरेशन? किसी ने नहीं किया भाई।
ऑडियंस ऑडियंस तो नहीं भाई, क्या करेगा, 24 आवर्स बैठेगा उधर कॉलेज में ही।
24
Oh
hours.
yeah, it's an offline hackathon by the way, so you'll
Yeah.
have to be present in our college for the hackathon. It's not online.
तुम सब देखने आ रहे हो लोग कोड करते हो, ऑडियंस कैसे आओगे? We have to build models. Yeah, you have to build models. हाँ, तो डेटाथॉन में we have this one category, core machine learning. So there, तुम्हारे टॉपिक के हिसाब से you have to build models. तो उसमें मॉडल पे we focus generally.
Neil, at most, usually we select like 9 or 10 FRFs, but it totally depends on the quality of the FRFs. So, it depends. कि अगर ज़्यादा competition रहेगा, so we might consider a significant number, but usually it's 9 or 10 FRFs.
FIA क्यों नहीं participate कर पाएंगे for डेटाथॉन? Bro, if you are a part of DataZen, then how can you participate in DataZen का ही event? So you cannot participate ना?
You will be hosting the hackathon.
Yeah, you'll
तो
be.
पूरा मैनेजमेंट से लेके वो 24 आवर्स सबको ऑब्जर्व करना, देखना, पूरा मैनेज करना, दैट विल बी योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थ्रू आउट दैट 24 आवर्स। तो वो भी एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है। हैकेथॉन्स में तुम पार्टिसिपेट करोगे, बट कभी कभी तुम्हें चांस मिलेगा कि तुम होस्ट कर पाओ।
You'll have to choose between the best two options. So that's up to you. Either FRF or the Datathon. It's up to you guys now.
Yeah. देखो दोनों में हमारा फायदा है, so you can choose whatever you want. SY रे, आने ब्रो,
नहीं नहीं
SY
नहीं,
SY हो गया.
हो गया भाई।
True, like Rahul said, कि प्राइस pool 1 lakh का है, 1 lakh plus around. तो
हाँ.
तुम लोग पार्ट लोगे तो kind of cheating तो हो ही जाएगा.
हाँ, अभी just imagine ना, if you as an FI rep are taking part in Datathon, तो हम तो तुमको ही जितवाएंगे, and then वो 1 लाख भी हम लोग ही रख लेंगे, so वो फिर कैसे होगा? तो no, as an FI rep you cannot take participate.
SYs का अलग से हो गया already, so they can't become representatives. They are basically members of the council. After your FI term is done, you basically become members. So then you have to branch out into specific teams. In that scenario, you can't. So see, the FI reps का एक चीज था कि you could fit in into any work that you found in the council. जो भी काम बचा हुआ था, FI reps could pitch in and actively work in that, whether it was creative work, whether it is PR work, whether it is tech work. हाँ, मैं भी SY में ही हूँ, in case you guys didn't know.
Guys, Vedant himself was an FRF and उसने इतना अच्छा काम किया कि हमने उसको फिर tech head बना दिया second year में ही. So
Yeah.
if you guys want to be at a position कि वेदांत जैसा तुम लोग को tech head बनना है, right after becoming the FRF, you all should try it out, definitely.
So honestly that is actually true. We don't ऐसे limitations नहीं रखते कि heads तो TY के ही होंगे, कि if we really find the potential कि he that guy has the potential, then we can definitely make him a head of some department or some domain. So yeah.
Vedant, you want to answer Ria's question? What if the attendance is not enough?
In that case, then we will try to consider your project. But see, attendance as such, even if you attended one day, we will take it into consideration, because not many folks actually sit down for a session and try to, grasp whatever they can from an event in general. Specifically, I understand a week is a quite big of a commitment, so it's fine. But you have to at least attend one day. Okay, so. Lee, it's purely resume based. We will be taking your resumes on Devfolio. At least last year we took it on Devfolio. This year we'll try out something else. Let's see how it works out.
We do consider two parameters. Number one is your resume, and number two your active participation in previous hackathons. So तुमने जो भी hackathons में previously participate किया है उसके projects and all, जो generally Devfolio पे you guys posted after the hackathon. So we do consider that as well, and your resume of course. So generally तो ये दो parameters होते हैं जिसमें we shortlist people out. Uh, Devfolio, yes. Devfolio,
Uh,
those who don't know what is Devfolio, it is a platform where you can host your own hackathon, and the audience, like public, can apply for your hackathons. So it is a platform.
Samarth, we do conduct interviews at every stage. So once you become an FR rep, so ऐसा नहीं होगा कि automatically are put into the core team. So SY जब आते हो तो तब also you'll have to clear the interview rounds, and then you are selected for the teams.
Even our council heads were in. Yeah, sure, Rahul. Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul. Thanks for dropping by.
So yeah, even our council heads were interviewed by the previous council heads and the other heads in general.
भाई मेरा तो आई गेस मेरा तो 50 मिनट्स का इंटरव्यू चला था. तो सब सब कुछ पूछा था मेरे को तो काउंसिल के बारे में, एक एक डिटेल. सो या यू नीड टू अपीयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू इवन आफ्टर बीइंग द पार्ट ऑफ द कोर टीम. You still have to give the interview for next year, okay? And कोई भी ऐसा सिनेरियो नहीं होगा जिसमें we won't be taking your interviews and we'll directly shortlisting you. So नहीं, interviews तो देने होंगे सबको. You want to try a mega project as well. Shaurya,
Council coach, right?
uh,
Sorry.
You'll have to just make up your mind कि try
actually,
करने से पहले just make sure what team. See, we don't have any issue if you want to join another team, even after you attend the 7 days data science challenge. There's no issue as such, but just make up your mind. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि you're stuck on two teams and you can't decide, and then later फिर दोनों communities के बीच में problems होती है. So just better make it clear पहले stage पे ही.
शौर्य अगर तीनों काउंसिल में सिलेक्ट हो गया तो क्या करेगा इंटरव्यू देने के बाद? Rubicon I tried workshop. अरे वो it's a bit hard to manage a mega project with a हाँ तीनों काउंसिल CSI, CodeCell, DataZen, SMLRA भी है, बहुत है भाई. सब में डालेगा तो सबका आ ही गया तो क्या कर लेगा?
um, I don't think Shaurya you can do both. Although I'll still have to confirm between the mega project and SPV council. मेरे को confirm करना होगा कि whether you can be a part of both the council, one mega project and one council. But as far as I know, you have to be part of only one thing. It should be either a council or a mega project. But still, मैं confirm करके
And
I can tell you.
And if honestly nahi bhi hoga manage, the mega projects take a lot of your time, a lot of your schedule. You have to stay back college med till 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So it gets a little bit difficult for you to manage mega projects as well as the tech community if you're a part of.
And
So,
honestly, I think I can answer that pretty well because मैंने भी फर्स्ट ईयर में बहुत एक्सप्लोर करने की बहुत कोशिश की थी. एंड होता है वो फर्स्ट ईयर में कि तुम्हें मन होगा कि सब जगह जाके तुम ये भी करो, मेगा प्रोजेक्ट भी करो, काउंसिल भी करो, सब जगह करेंगे हम. बट द थिंग इज कि एक सेम तुम कर लोगे बट यूल रियलाइज कि तुम अपना एकेडमिक्स और कुछ भी मेगा प्रोजेक्ट या कोई भी काउंसिल वो साथ में तुम मैनेज करने में थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी होगा. एंड नाउ विथ मेगा प्रोजेक्ट अगर आप और एक टेक काउंसिल भी ले रहे हो तो दैट इज बेसिकली बहुत इम्पॉसिबल होगा तुम्हें अपना एकेडमिक्स भी मैनेज करना साथ में बिकॉज टेक काउंसिल टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ योर टाइम. दे विल आस्क यू टू स्टे बैक लेट तक बिकॉज है उनका काम उतना होता है. इट्स एक्चुअली यू आर वर्किंग ऑन अ प्रोजेक्ट like a real time project there in the workshop itself. तो इट्स टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. तो आप ऐसे डिसाइड करो, मेकअप योर माइंड कि आपको पूरे साल कहाँ काम करना है. एंड इट्स ओके इफ यू फील कि यू आर मिसिंग आउट, यू आर नॉट. एक्सप्लोर करो. इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस इज लाइक अ वेरी बिग पार्ट ऑफ FY. तुम सब जगह जाके इंटरव्यूज दोगे, तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस भी बिल्ड होगा. दैट इज अ गुड थिंग. बट एंड ऑफ द डे यूल हैव टू डिसाइड कि तुम किस काउंसिल में लाइक द फर्स्ट ईयर तुम लोग अटेंड लाइक पूरा एक्टिव रहते हो.
अच्छा, मैं इसका ऑपोजिट स्टेटमेंट बताता हूँ। तो लाइक, if you are really you have lots of energy to actually pull this off. I know one guy, okay, he was in data zen last year. He's not in this council anymore. So he was in a mega project, Orion mein tha wo. He was in data zen, a council. He was in another council, Infinity. His name is Sai Parcha. Go find him out भाई, ढूंढ लो उसको जाके व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिटी में।
How did
वो भी
that
था
work
बंदा,
out for him?
अभी
Tell
बस
me.
ओरायन में है वो, ठीक है।
Hmm.
वो थाने में रहता था, सो इट वाज नॉट लाइक ही वाज प्रीटी क्लोज आल्सो। सो गो फिगर अभी, इफ यू गाइस वांट टू डू इट। वो उसने मैनेज, हाँ, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक उसका एकेडमिक्स भी गिरा। वो प्रॉपर 9 ऑलमोस्ट टच करता था हर बार।
See, it comes down to your interest as well. ठीक है, तुम लोगों को अगर इंटरेस्ट है, so why not? You are in FY, this is your time to explore. Okay, SY के एंड में और TY तक आते आते सबको पॉइंटर ही संभालना है। एवरीवन इज लाइक कि भाई जाने दो, हमको कॉलेज संभालना है, हमको केटी को संभालना है। सो अभी FY में हो, यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर, इट्स अ गुड थिंग। एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ गुड थिंग टू एक्सप्लोर, टू गो आउट, ट्राई डिफरेंट काउंसिल्स एंड डू, बट देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन कि तुमको कितना एक्सप्लोर करना है एंड तुम कितना एफर्ट कर सकते हो। बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि अभी 7 में से 5 केटी लग गए एंड यू आर कम्प्लीटली ब्लैंक कि अभी क्या करना है। सो ऐसा भी सिनेरियो नहीं होना चाहिए। सो या इट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर इंटरेस्ट एज वेल। बिकॉज कोई ऐसे काउंसिल में चले जाओगे जहाँ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, तो देन काउंसिल का भी लॉस है एंड तुम्हारा भी लॉस है। तो you guys have to figure that out
See,
as well.
and if you're spending so much time in 3 different places, 4 different places, you won't be able to commit अच्छे से. So let's say next year if you are coming back to a specific council, they won't be able to like trust you कि let's say मुझे, if I want to consider someone for a head's का position, in that case I would rather take someone who is committed to this specific council full fledged अच्छे से एकदम। Because if you're going for 3 different councils, that is basically meaning कि दो दो हो सकते हैं। एक तो you're not interested and you're trying out everything, which is ठीक है, मतलब obviously first year है, ठीक है चलेगा। Second is काम कम पड़ रहा है, अगर काम कम पड़ रहा है तो then वो अलग बात है, वो फिर संभाल सकते हैं। How and from where did you guys start learning? Yeah, so Maitri, I've already shared the resources, at least what I started learning from. You can check out our drive again. In that, I've listed out every YouTube channel, every book I'm using. I have hard copies as well of those books because they're that good. So yeah, but in general, I would say just don't limit yourself to YouTube channels and books, because over time, let's say after a year, everything will be outdated. So try to find something more dynamic. Read more of newsletters. Twitter पे जाओ। फादर ठीक है शौर्य, ठीक है। So I hope Maitri that answered your question. If you guys are looking for newsletters, Pragmist is a good one. Uh, Another would be Kaggle. You see, if you register to Kaggle also, just find some grandmaster there. Some grandmaster always has a blog. If you don't know what Kaggle grandmasters are, they are basically folks who've participated in competitions set by Google and folks of that caliber, and have provided solutions to actual real world industry level problems in the machine learning domain. You can find out Kaggle competitions alag se. The moment you register, I think you guys must be getting emails already. Kaggle has a pretty strong subscription based model when it comes to newsletters. So yeah, just check that out. I would recommend doing that, although I personally don't participate in many of these competitions because they require a significant investment of time in particular. So yeah, perfect. FIs, in case some of you guys had come with queries ki internships कहाँ से करना है. See, it's unless you're already familiar with like what you want to do and you have an idea ki what field you'll be completely delving into, I wouldn't recommend doing internships at least in the first year. Rather than that, you could try to explore every domain. Sub councils के events में जाओ, FI में टाइम ही टाइम रहता है, 9 to 4 कॉलेज रहता है, आराम से 4 to 6 you can sit for any event or workshop. So try to do that as much as possible. But अगर you are ready to completely invest your time into, let's say, a specific domain like web development, data science, cyber security, in that case, at least in the first year, go ahead with in-house internships, because obviously, being an FI, you won't be given a paid internship immediately unless you're given a referral. Okay, so go ahead for in-house internships. Try to find out a faculty member who is either pursuing a PhD or has some project or startup idea in mind, and you can do a internship at least in the breaks. Like you'll have your winter break and a 2 month matlab 2 month summer break, right? So in that time you can go ahead and do that. If you do find an internship by referral, nothing like it, obviously. That's especially in your FI, it's a good thing to do an internship. Looks good on your resume as well. So yeah, that's about it. ठीक है. Mega projects also, you get credits, but they don't count as internships per se. They count as fellowships, if I'm not wrong. Fellowships or apprenticeships. They are different. So internships, see, internship in the, at least in the real world industry, it mostly counts as something where you've been paid for whatever you've worked as. So in-house का अलग है, you get paid in credits. तो वो अलग है, इधर भी you get credits, but यहाँ पे it's more of apprenticeship, sorry, my bad. So yeah, just check that out एक बार. Mega projects का अलग ही scene है पूरा. You'll have to talk to the mega project guys एक बार. If you're considering mega projects, like, I don't know, Ryan has some pretty good stats and achievements in the past few years. TMRT भी अच्छा है, मैंने ट्राई किया था अप्लाई करने का, नहीं हुआ था मेरा. I tried doing that with data, so I guess it was good. फिर Onyx है, ETM है, हाँ परफेक्ट चलेगा ना, सही है, नाइस. तो है, you're set then, विनायक. ठीक है. Any other queries, doubts? हाँ पूछ शौर्य.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
I am from SK Somaya College, so will I get the certificate from you all?
Yeah, of course. You will get a certificate. So we don't look at whether you're KJC, at least while giving the certificates. Even during our FI rep selection, we'll look at Somaya campus folks. So that covers everything, SK and like KJSSC.
The
Actually, I have.
entire recruitment process for DataZen is in general that you don't have to belong to SK or KJ. It's in general कि समय के अंदर जो भी colleges registered है, you're welcome from that. Yes, yeah, sure. You were saying.
No, actually, I have heard that the course is only for the KJ, so that's why I asked you all.
No, no, nothing like that.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You sadly won't be able to do that, Shaurya. So FY
See,
rep, it's a complete 1 year tenure, right? So अगर तुम एक बार council में आ जाते हो, so you'll have to serve there for 1 year at least. इसके बाद भले तुम next council में चले जाओ, but ऐसे sem wise नहीं होता है. So I hope that's clear for you.
Um, no, but see, that's a good thing you asked whether you can leave council in middle or not. You should not do that because see, because it's not good for the council. Na? Like, if we just reverse the table and you are say asking us if we'll leave data and after sem one and we'll join RoboCon, so that's not a good thing for the council. So you should not do that. Uh, ठीक है, it's
Plus, it's
okay.
unfair for your resume also. Resume में तुम एक साल में दो councils ऐड करोगे तो सामने वाला भी बोलेगा कि कैसे इतने टाइम में how have you done all of this?
Shaurya, are you an FY, bro? Your question is way too smart. Why after 1 year, okay, after, let's say you have, you can do whatever you want after your term is over, okay? Like, let's say you are a part of one council and then that council officially declares that your term is over. After that, whatever you want to do, you do. उसके बाद जहाँ पे भी जाना है जा, बट बीच में छोड़ के मत आना भाई किसी भी काउंसिल को, वो मत करना.
वही बीच में बस छोड़ो मत. इट्स ओके इफ यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर. समझ आता है कि एफआई एक्सप्लोर करना है, ठीक है, बट फिर अगर काउंसिल ज्वाइन किया है, कोई भी काउंसिल ऐसे बीच में मत छोड़ना. इट क्रिएट्स अ बैड इम्प्रेशन और फिर अगले साल भी अगर आपको अप्लाई करना रहेगा वहाँ पे तो दे विल रिकंसिडर आपको ऐसे टीम में लेना.
Also, one more thing, जो इम्प्रेशन आता है वो सिर्फ वो काउंसिल के लिए नहीं आता है जिस काउंसिल को तुमने छोड़ा है, ठीक है. हम लोग भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हम लोग भी रोज कॉलेज आते हैं, हम लोग भी बहुत लोगों से बात करते हैं, ओके. सो वी हैव एन आइडिया कि ऑफ कोर्स हमको बहुत सब कुछ पता नहीं रहता है, बट वी नो कि कौन कैसे बिहेव करता है. सो अगर कोई आता है बाद में रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए, सो हमको उसका इन्फो रहता है कि इसने पास्ट में हिस्ट्री में क्या किया है, ओके. सो वो सिर्फ एक काउंसिल के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, वो फिर बाकी सारे काउंसिल्स के लिए भी अप्लाई होता है.
अच्छा, I'll add one more thing. So many people are asking कि मतलब whether we should upload on Google Form, GitHub पे ही करना है. You know what? I think we'll switch it up थोड़ा ये साल. What you can do is, if any of you guys have a project idea, put it on our community. Then, if you guys want, you can group together as well and complete that project together. That way, you'll get diverse ideas for each and every project. We'll be also able to help you better if you put it out on our community as well, because it will be easier for us. Instead of getting, like, let's say 200 or so projects, we'll be managing 50 of them, and the amount of help and aid that we can give you for those projects would be better. So rather, I would say, go ahead with joining our WhatsApp community in general. If you guys still want to go ahead and do it individually, go right ahead. You can DM us personally. We'll still be rolling out the forms for the projects. Don't worry about that. But I would recommend you guys still go ahead and, obviously, try to build it together. Does anyone know about the hackathon? We keep it in Jan, usually, Shreya. Any tips for time management to sit down and study for long hours? Yeah, I'm not the right person for this. Any specific skills that are expected or mandatory? Python basics है भाई. So I'll tell you, as see मेरा भी interview हुआ था ना as an FRF. I'll tell you what I was asked. जो भी basics of Python we've covered in our sessions, that is one. And थोड़ा सा logical reasoning, थोड़ा सा understanding of how and what to apply whenever a problem is given to you. That's it. At least for an FI rep, that's the bare minimum we are expecting. How did you start your data science journey? By ignoring JE.
What?
That's how I started, at least. So yeah, I like coding a lot, so I just skipped JE as a whole and I just decided to give it for fun. हुआ तो नहीं कुछ clearly. I am in KJC. So like, see, no offense to the college, but let's be for real. We, as let's say, the cutoff in general is not as high as IITs or at least the good NITs as well. So I hope you guys get that. Let's be for real. That's a hard fact, but you have to accept that and move on. I never prefer G. Arey, never mind. We won't talk about that exam. You're in engineering now. You don't talk about it after you're in engineering. Is the workshop held in KJ Somaya Vidya? Yes, it's in KJC. Uh, you guys don't have to worry about the venue. Utna, we'll let you know बाद में. But हाँ, we are keeping it offline, so we'll let you know.
Um, the primary prerequisite for FI reps is your interest towards data science, okay, and AIML.
Hmm.
तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए because the main concept, like the main focus हमारा data zen का is कि we provide an environment जहाँ पे तुम लोग enjoy कर सको your AIML and data science journey.
Exactly what I wanted to add कि तुम अगर FY हो, we don't expect a lot. So just your willingness to learn is enough. अगर तुम लोग interview process में, if you're willing, you're saying that you're willing to learn, you're willing to dedicate to the process, that is good enough for us. And वेदांत टेक टीम में था, तो obviously उसने जो skills develop किया है वो tech में बहुत किया है, but we have other job profiles as well. तो along with tech तुम लोग और भी बहुत कुछ सीखोगे. So prerequisites as of now as an FY ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. So वो एक ऐसे बैरियर नहीं रहेगा तुम लोग के लिए, तो इतना सोच के मत अप्लाई करो. जस्ट अगर इंटरेस्ट है, इफ़ यू नो कि डेटा साइंस एंड ML में तुम्हें आगे जाना है, सीखना है एज एन FY, तो मेक श्योर यू अप्लाई.
We'll have reel shooting, editing, and all of that stuff also. So in case you guys are creative, अगर कोई मतलब let's say another council का कुछ miss हो गया तुम लोग and you feel कि you guys have that potential to actually go ahead there as well, we would recommend you guys joining us as well, because let's be honest, every council needs its PR team and a creative team as much as it needs its tech team. Neither
You
can
guys
exist
can go
without.
and check out our Instagram page. So last year के जो भी ऐसे reels वगैरह बने वो सब FY reps ने बनाया. And वो इतना ऐसे पूरा process इतना fun होता है. You'll get to like ऐसे shoot reels with your friends, ideas, concepts तुम्हारे. जो भी हमारा event रहेगा तुम अलग से जाके shoot करोगे campus में. वो पूरा एक अलग experience है. तो along with learning tech side में तुम ये सब भी और experience कर रहे हो. Yeah, so we do have our creative team for that. तो फोटो वीडियो एडिटिंग वो सब हमारा क्रिएटिव्स मैनेज करता है, PR मैनेज करता है. हाँ, सो FI reps बेसिकली मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना कि FI rep दे आर नॉट लिमिटेड टू वन जॉब प्रोफाइल. तो अगर तुम लोग FI rep हो, अगर तुम्हें टेक एक्सप्लोर करना है, तुम्हें वीडियो एडिटिंग करना है, तुम्हें PR करना है, मार्केटिंग करना है, तुम लोग सब कर सकते हो. बस अपने हेड्स को बोलो कि मुझे यहाँ पे भी कंट्रीब्यूट करना है एंड यू आर फ्री टू डू दैट.
Okay, then if you guys have any more doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we wrap this up. And thank you so much for being the part of this journey. 7 days. बहुत मज़ा आया मेरे को, ऑनेस्टली बहुत मज़ा आया ये करके, ऑर्गेनाइज करके पूरा.
True, and we're hoping to see all of you guys next events में and as FI reps. So let's see कितने लोग यहाँ पे जो हैं वो FI reps के लिए apply करते हैं and हमारी team का part बनते हैं eventually. So
We'll be rolling out the forms this week, so most probably tomorrow. And हाँ, तो सब कम्युनिटी पे आ जाएगा, सब इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पे आ जाएगा. We'll send out broadcasts, मेल भी आ जाएगा. So हाँ.
Thanks, Shaurya. असली वर्कशॉप तो बचा है शौर्य
Thank you,
में।
you all, for providing us with so much, so nice, like, course. It was very nice, and I enjoyed it.
थैंक्स यशव।
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Yasha. Thank you. Vedant, do you wanna answer her Shaurya ka question? Ki how was your resume like as an FI rep?
आह, कहाँ से चालू करूँ? ठीक है, देख पाइथन तो था ही। आई न्यू रिएक्ट ऑल्सो तभी, तो जावास्क्रिप्ट रिएक्ट भी आता था। जावा भी आई न्यू बेसिक्स, तो आई एडेड दैट एज वेल। सीपीपी थोड़ा बहुत आता था। सो बट सी माय मेजर थिंग वाज आई वाज फुल फ्लेजली कमिटेड टू पाइथन एंड रिएक्ट आई न्यू लाइक बेसिक लेवल तक। अभी भी मतलब आई हैव नॉट गॉन इनटू वेब डेव उतना, अभी मैं कंप्लीटली एमएल एंड डीप लर्निंग में घुस चुका हूँ। So it's hard to get out of that once you're there. So at this point, I'm deep into stats, maths, coding, मतलब fine tuning LLMs. तेरा देखा मैंने शौर्य अभी, तेरा डिस्कॉर्ड बहुत अच्छा था, not bad, सही है। अब मैं सही है। I get it भाई, but Python is addictive. अरे तूने डाला था, मैं सारे कम्युनिटीज में हूँ ब्रो शौर्य, मेरे से नहीं छुप पाएगा तू। मैं सब पढ़ता हूँ चैट्स।
Okay,
Yes.
guys, I think we'll wrap up then. और कोई questions है तो अगर और भी है मीट के अलावा तो you all can put it up community पे। वेदांत, हर्ष सब रहेंगे तुम लोग को assist करने के लिए, तो you all can reach out to them anytime.
You can contact us anytime. Okay. बस 12 से 6 के बीच में मत करना। ठीक है, उसके अलावा you can contact us anytime.
कोई जल्दी उठता है तो मैं हूँ, मैं हमेशा
हाँ।
5 बजे
हाँ,
उठ जाता हूँ।
वेदांत is the guy for you अगर तुम 4 बजे सुबह उठ रहे हो और तुम्हें कुछ data science related question आ
If you
रहा है,
have any doubt at
he is the
4
guy for
a.m.
you.
in 4 a.m. को कोई doubt है तुमको data science related तो you can call Vedant.
He
And
is always up.
2 a.m. को कोई doubt है तो you can call me. Okay.
भेज भाई भेज।
Vedant Bhaiya is the guy for you guys. 5 a.m. के लिए 5 a.m. thoughts.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I think we'll end this meet. No, Sanika, don't be sad. You'll
अभी
get
और
to.
इवेंट्स भी है।
हाँ, अभी तो स्टार्ट हुआ है टेन्योर, अभी तो एफआई रेप्स आएंगे, फिर सब उनके साथ पूरे इवेंट्स रखेंगे।
यप।
Starting.
शौर्य तू भाई कॉलेज में भी मिल जा कभी भी, ऐसे ही मिल लेंगे हम लोग। राघव से पूछ ले, मिला है वो बहुत बार।
And
रूम नहीं है
आपका
हमारा।
रूम के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हैं हम लोग। ऑनेस्टली ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हमको रूम अलॉट हो, बिकॉज इसमें यू एक्चुअली हैव टू टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम फैकल्टी एंड ऑल। सो रूम पे बता देंगे हम। भाई तू कॉल कर लेना सीधा, तू कॉल कर और बोल कि आना है, मिलना है।
वही सीधा उठा
Yeah,
लेंगे।
you'll have to call पहले. We can't just allot you a room और फिर तुम लोग आओ नहीं, तो you'll
हाँ।
पहले call, ask your doubts, तब जाके फिर we'll come.
वही सही, ठीक है। अगर कोई मतलब केजेसी वाला नहीं है एंड यू वांट टू मीट इन अ स्पेसिफिक प्लेस, दैट वे आल्सो वी कैन मीट, ऐसे कुछ इशू नहीं है। सो नॉन केजेसी फोक्स वी आर देयर फॉर यू गाइस एज वेल। वेस्टवुड भी ब्रेक में मिलने आ जाओ। भास्कर है चाहे, हाँ ऑफ कोर्स। भाई नटराज पता है तुम लोग को, बेस्ट जगह है वो। नटराज अच्छा है, कोई भी आता जाता है उधर।
उसे भाई अपने call से collect करो. Call one of the tech team members, Vedant, they'll be there.
ये बिल्डिंग में
फर्स्ट फ्लोर, ए बिल्डिंग फर्स्ट फ्लोर।
जो लॉबी जैसा है ना, सर्कल जैसे तू एंटर करता है स्टेयर्स से, दैट इज कॉल्ड नटराज। तुम लोग सीख जाओगे ये ऐसे एक साल में। ठीक है, अभी के लिए नहीं पता।
हाँ शौर्य, हाँ स्टैचू वही
हाँ,
तो
वही
नटराज है,
स्टैचू वाला।
वही नटराज है। यप।
हाँ, और वो जो स्टेयर्स है connected to Natraj. That's called Gargi Plaza. काम आएगा तुम्हें.
अरे हाँ,
अभी
Got it.
करवाई
अरे
पाएगी
खाली
ना,
रहता है वो भाई, कोई भी आता
करवाई
जाता
में
है।
काम आएगा।
गार्गी प्लाजा. बस ऐसे ही बुलाते हैं, पता नहीं क्यों, बट इसे बुलाते हैं गार्गी प्लाजा.
मिल लो कभी भी, जस्ट टेक्स्ट की हम लोग नटराज के वहाँ है, इधर है, आ जाएंगे। कैंटीन मत बोलना, बहुत लोग रहते हैं, कोई
प्लीज
सब
कैंटीन
नहीं,
मत बोलना
कैंटीन
यार,
नहीं.
कैंटीन नहीं जाना है मेरे को।
स्टूडेंट नहीं
कैंटीन
की
नहीं
दाल।
है।
Okay. That मतलब every time starting gift time, starting
लाइब्रेरी।
के phase में canteen is bro, it's horrible.
हाँ, मैं रहता हूँ थर्ड फ्लोर पे 9 बजे वैसे।
9
रहता
AM
ही बोल दे भाई अभी।
वेदांत,
क्या
9 AM
बोलूं?
को क्या कर रहा है तू कॉलेज में?
See, that's why I told na, Vedant is the guy. Guys, this is like the perfect example. Vedant हमेशा available रहेगा तुम लोग के लिए। वो भले 9 बजे हो, 5 बजे हो,
Bro,
4 बजे हो।
no but seriously वेदांत तू क्या करता है 9 बजे सुबह के थर्ड
नहीं,
फ्लोर ऑफ
मैं
बी
गाने
बिल्डिंग
सुनता रहता हूँ, ऐसे ही चिल मारता हूँ।
कॉलेज में?
हाँ, खाली रहता है, तुझे आना चाहिए सुबह भाई।
वो हर्ष बेचारा हॉस्टल में रह के वो इतना आराम से आ रहा है, वेदांत इतना दूर ट्रैवल
I
करके
stay in hostel and
9 बजे।
for 11 AM का lecture I wake up at 10:30 AM. ठीक है, so it is pretty chill for me.
ठीक है,
Bro,
कोई नहीं
arrives
guys।
at college at like 8:40. भाई वेदांत, if you don't know, Vedant is our 10-pointer guy. तुमको academic से related कुछ भी पूछना, you can ask Vedant. कैसे
वेदांत।
पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, ETEM.
थैंक यू सानिका, थैंक यू अजय।
ठीक है, anyways, we are मैं मीटिंग स्टॉप कर देता हूँ रिकॉर्डिंग।
हाँ. Thank you so much, Diya.
Y'all can definitely भाई टिप्स चाहिए तो वेदांत भैया से पर्सनली मैसेज कर